Friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we enable color inversion in our Tecno phone. Guys, you want to enable your color inversion mode in your Tecno phone. Friends, you can enable it. And guys, now let's see how to enable and guys, how can you use your color inversion mode setting in your Tecno mobile. In this video, I will show you. So then first of all, we will on our phone setting to enable our color inversion mode setting, and how to use I will tell you. Then scroll your phone and guys, you can see guys your special function. Guys, tap here. Guys, click on accessibility setting guys. Then guys, you scroll it again and friends, you can see color inversion. Guys, tap here. So once you want to enable guys, you can enable from the right side. So when we will enable our color inversion, guys, you can see after enable guys, your screen color will change. The screen color will different guys. So like that guys, you can enable your color inversion mode and guys, you can use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video with the topic. Before going guys, please comment, like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.